In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to recommend a booking. The Booking Management widget is a powerful option to use with our CRM calendar to recommend and schedule meeting time slots for inquiries or job bookings. Using the Booking Management widget, you can create the following types of booking options. Recommended bookings. Confirm bookings. A recommended booking is used to suggest date and time options to customers. You can automatically send an email that lists the options for customers to select their preferred booking date and time. If you want to directly create a confirmed booking, refer to Creating Confirmed Bookings video for more information. Let's dive into creating booking recommendations for our customers. In this example scenario, I have 2 inquiries. The first inquiry is a residential project for Emily Rhodes. The second inquiry is a commercial project for Taylor Morgan. I will start with the first inquiry. Click on Make a Booking. There will be a pop-up to select a booking process. Choose Use Booking Management and the booking type will appear. Choose your booking type, then click Save. The status will then update to book a meeting. Click on Open Booking Calendar. This will redirect you to the Booking Management widget. You will arrive to the new Booking tab by default. Click on Main Calendar to view available time slots and create an available booking and recommend it to this inquiry. Select a referral owner. I will select Peter Johnson. Add a description and a start date and time. I'm going to be recommending May 19th at 8 a.m. You can also set the duration of the booking. Since this will only be an introductory call, I will set this to 30 minutes. For the location option, select from the options. I'm going to select Remote option. For the location type, I'm going to select Phone call. From here, we can go ahead and proceed to save and recommend since we already have the booking type, which is introductory call. The available booking has now been created and recommended to this inquiry. Then I'm going to create another booking recommendation. This time, we'll set up an introductory call on a different date. I'm going to recommend May 20th with the same start time of 8 a.m., just like the previous one. We'll keep this to a 30-minute call. I'll select the remote option and choose phone call as type. Once that's set, I'll click Save and Recommend. Click on this to go to your inquiry record. Then click on Bookings tab. Then go to Booking Recommendations. Here we can see the booking details. You can scroll through this to view more information, including the location details, resource details, and the booking confirmation link. This will benefit you when a customer calls in and asks to confirm a specific time slot for them. In that case, we can simply click the link and it will open the booking confirmation form to confirm the time slot. Now, if we prefer to send the confirmation via email, we'll use the email table that contains the resource details as well as the booking information. Going back to the Summary tab, if you want to send out the email, click on Email Recommendations. Tick on Send Automatic Email. Then click Save, and the system will automatically send the booking recommendations email. Once it's sent, you can confirm it by navigating to the Activity tab under Emails. Here's the email that was sent to Emily. It contains the available time slots. Clicking on this link will redirect you to the booking recommendation options. In here, you can choose and confirm your preferred booking time slot. Now, keep in mind that in this scenario, we have 2 recommended bookings. I'll walk you through how I use the same booking to recommend it for another inquiry and then go ahead and confirm it. Therefore, I'm expecting that once I confirm one of these recommended bookings from another inquiry and confirm it, that time slot will be removed from this list since it's now booked. Let's now proceed to the second inquiry. This inquiry for Taylor Morgan is now sitting on Book a Meeting. Click on Open Booking Calendar to proceed to Booking Management widget. Go to Main Calendar. And I'm going to recommend the available booking we created earlier for Peter Johnson on May 19th at 8 a.m. Again, we can use the same recommended booking for multiple inquiries. In the Client Booking and Recommendations tab, this tab will help us track which inquiries this is associated with. As you can see, it's already linked to Emily's inquiry. And now I'm going to recommend it for Taylor Morgan. Go to Client Booking tab. Here, you can modify and add more notes. Then click on Recommend Booking. Once done, I will click on the booking again to view my 2 inquiries related to the same booking recommendation. Now, I'm going to repeat the same steps to recommend the other booking recommendation for Emily, then recommending it to this inquiry. To view all your booking recommendations, view them under All Recommendations tab. If you have confirmed bookings, you can view them under Confirm Bookings tab. We're now going to confirm a booking. Go back to your second inquiry. I have already sent the booking email, and we can access that email by navigating to Emails under the Activity tab. Then click on the link to confirm a time slot. Once the customer have decided the preferred time, click Confirm Now. At this point, it will prompt you to complete a CAPTCHA to verify you're not a bot before proceeding. Then click on Confirm to finalize the booking. Let's go back to the inquiry. The status has automatically updated to Introductory Call Booked. On the Bookings tab, you can see the details of the confirmed booking for an introductory call with Peter Johnson on May 19th at 8 a.m. And when we navigate back to the email to access the Booking Recommendations link, it will now prompt you that there is already a confirmed booking related to your inquiry. Meanwhile, onto Emily's inquiry. I will now access the Booking Recommendations email sent to her via the Emails under Activity tab to access the booking confirmation form. The recommended booking with Peter Johnson on the 19th has been automatically removed since this has already been booked by another customer. With Booking Recommendations, you can offer a personalized self-booking experience for your customers. Simply create an available booking time slots and recommend them. Then your clients can choose from those options directly. It's perfect for recommending the same slot to one or multiple customers, without the risk of double booking your resources. Watch the video on confirmed bookings next.